quick disclaimer, I am not a professional. You probably have seen my YouTube channel. I only have a few videos because I started using this like 3 months ago. And this is to let you know how versatile this camera makes you. You can do anything with this, with the software especially. All you need to do is just hold this camera. Sometimes you don't even have to move it so much because you can always do the moving using the software. Even if I know how to fly a drone, this makes you feel like a professional after you edit the videos. And you probably have watched a lot of videos on YouTube telling you how to use this, comparing it to other cameras, and you get to see for sure this is a beast. The only problem I have with this camera would be I wish it can gather more pixels. I wish it's not so blurry sometimes. I want details, I want crisp, I want more high dynamic range. I want it to be 8K. So 4K on one lens, 4K on the other lens. So when you pull the video together or when you stretch it, you're still getting the actual 4K when you're doing your post-production. Because at the end of the day, the best resolution you can get off of this is 1080p. But if you stretch it to the maximum, you can always get 4K out of it. And this video is to let you know how I shot my cinematic videos in Key West. You get to see all the videos I was able to shoot with it using just this. Right now, I'm shooting with my iPhone installed on the gimbal, the Insta360 Flow. And I'm using my camera app, the native camera app. I'm not using the Insta360 app. Reason being, the cinematic mode on the Insta360, I don't like it. It's not crisp, it's not sharp, and it still gets to track me. And if you want a tutorial on that, let me know in the comment section. I'll post that up later on. Remember to like and subscribe. Thank you.
I prefer to use the Insta360 Studio app on either Mac or Windows. So this video was shot at the Key West Cemetery where they buried people above ground. The top right overlay is to show you how I'm walking around to shoot the videos and how I'm moving the camera. The bottom left is to show you how I use the app to edit it, while the center, the outcome.
And the reason why this beach is important is that it's man-made. All the sand that's here on this beach was actually brought on the beach. You get to see how I shoot my videos and what it looks like and how it gets all cinematic eventually when I post them. So let's begin.
The floating overlay shows you how I use my iPhone to record myself while I was holding the selfie stick up, and I'm just holding it straight. Yet I was able to achieve all the spinning and tilting of the camera angle.
So here I am setting up Insta360 Flow to shoot hyperlapse on the Insta360 X3. I set a start point. Then I had a keyframe and a tilt. I center my subject, adjust the tilt, set another keyframe, reset tilt back to 0 degrees, set another keyframe, again adjust the tilt, and center my subject again. I reset my tilt as I'm coming closer to my subject. I set the camera angle. I had time shift, or fast forward as you know it, making sure motion blur is on, and I play back a bunch of times.
I am tired.